Hey y'all, it's Jen. I'm back and I'm doing a memory keeping layout in my traveler's notebook. This is going to be a collaboration between me and Florence. She is Live, Life, and Create, and I will leave a link below to all of her social media links. So we decided to do a um, memory keeping traveler's notebook layout, and the technique that we agreed on would be stamping. And the theme that we agreed on is Planner Besties. So I am using the Planner Society kits from February, and I am just taking some scraps left over from the dashboards that I made, and I'm using these scissors that I have. I don't know what they're called, but I think they're kitchen scissors actually, but I never use them for the kitchen or for my food. I just use them for crafting. I'm just making those, I don't even know what they're called, but I'm just making those little, frays at the bottom of the scraps that I cut out. And I am just going to layer them and glue them on the page. And I have a picture of me and my planner besties. And I'm just using a picture frame, a little 3x4 frame from Van Sticky. And I'm using a wood veneer that says love on it, and then I just put that on the bottom there. And I just love the colors and how everything looks. Sorry, my head is peeking through there. So this doily that I'm layering in the back is actually a digital doily from the Valentine's Day kit that Christy released earlier in February. So I just printed that out and cut it with my silhouette, and I just printed on white cardstock, and I'm just using that. And I like how that side of the page turned out. And by the way, this is a standard size TN insert. So I'm just drawing a border on the left side. I like sketchy borders and how that looks. And then now I'm going to take the Planner Society stamp from the kit. I'm going to stamp the girl out, and then I'm just going to go through the die cuts, and it also comes with a bunch of tags that I really liked. So I was just going to see which one I wanted to put next to the girl, and I really liked this bunch of flowers and that die cut of flowers at the top. So I went with that, and now I'm going to glue that down. And then I think I add the wood veneer noted. This kit comes with all of these painted wood veneers. They're so pretty. And they're already sticky and adhesive. They have an adhesive on the other side, but I added some glue just to have that extra hold. And then I'm going to stick a bow on the other side. And then I found this quote on Pinterest about best friends. So I'm just going to write that down. It just says, it's the friends we meet along the way that help. Oh, I can't see it now. I think it's that help me appreciate the journey or something like that. And then I just write a little blurb about my friends and how much I appreciate having them in my life. And that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick, fast video. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And I will leave all the links below in my description box. Thanks for watching.